So here it is, quick and fast. This is how to replace this hot end assembly on the A1. So you probably already know how to take this off. There's three screws that go onto here. There's some screws right here that you take this assembly off. That's obviously easy, we all know that. So this cable right here, it spins in there. It goes in there. So the ones you need to take off right here, sorry, right there, and then right here, and then you can leave the rest on because this whole assembly should move off to the side. And the only thing we need is this cable. This cable comes out, and there's a bracket right here. Just like this. Just push it that way till it slides out. Take it, let's put it aside, and then all we need are these cables. You see, like mine, they ripped off here. So take all those out, and then we're gonna spin the A1 around. And we're looking right here. We'll follow them up. You see, they're right here. So you just take that connector off and replace it. There's no videos on this. It's so frustrating. That's it. I hope I helped you out with the clogging issue that I'm sure you're replacing right now. And that should be it. Okay, so a few other things to note is to make sure when you put this back cover on, you push it down all the way. If you don't, there'll be a gap right here. I don't know if it's focusing. Yeah, I mean, this isn't the gap I'm talking about, but there'll be a gap, and you just gotta push down really hard on there, right? Let me twist this around. So in this part, when you slide this piece back in, right here, that bracket, it's kind of difficult at first to see how it's lined up, so I hope maybe that helps. If this focuses on kind of how that looks. See, it bevels at the bottom. It bevels down. Anyway, like I said, that just slides back in place this way, and then you pop this back cover on. And then, obviously, when you try to feed these new wires to, never use a metal tool. You might damage the wire, and you obviously don't want to do that. So if you have something like this that you're 3D printed, you can just use that, or any just plastic piece that you can use to push that in. And it's pretty self-explanatory from here. You just want to make sure that this piece goes back in, and screw those up with your other screws. So yeah, I hope that helps. There'll be links in the description for this part if you want this part, to make it easier for anybody watching. And my recommendation on filament is eSun PLA Plus, so I'll put those two. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out.